If your Dyson V12 is saying airways are blocked, but there is no blockage, this is the video for you. Now be warned, this is only for the V12. This doesn't come apart like the V11 and V15 does that I cover on my other video. So if you have a V12, this is the only video to follow. So why does it come up with this message if there is no blockage? It means your airways are restricted in some way. Now this can happen from a dirty filter, so we need to check that first, or if there's dust buildup inside the cyclone, which we're going to address as well. Firstly, your filter. If you've cleaned your filter, just put it up against a torch and make sure you can actually see the light through the filter. If you can't, even though you've been cleaning your filter and drying it thoroughly, you need to make sure you buy a new filter, and then that will probably cure your problem. If, however, you've put a new filter on, it's not cured it, or it just comes back within a week, the dust is inside the cyclone, and that's the issue we need to sort out. If you take your filter off, undo these 4 screws here, they're cross-headed ones, and then these 2 screws here, then you can pull the cyclone off. But unlike with the other models, it doesn't actually get you very far. All it does is takes the cyclone off. You've got this wire connecting it to the circuit board. Don't mess about with that. And unless you've got an air compressor to spray down there, there's not much else you can do. So let's struggle through this together with some ideas of things I've tried myself to clear the dust, and also some ideas from people commenting on my other videos when they've got a V12. Right, so we need to get the dust out. We're going to take this bin off, and one option is to tap it on something outside that's not too hard. We're not tapping it on a brick wall or anything. We're just tapping it on the inside of your dustbin or on a table like this. Okay, and that will get a lot of the dust out. Obviously you can try that, but you need to be careful because in these channels that go up here, they're very common for getting blocked. Okay, the best thing I've found, if you've not got compressed air, is like a skewer that you use for food, right? So poke that up and down there and try and clear it. Now other people have told me they've used like high powered air dryers and even leaf blowers to do it. Okay, so we're in this together. Fire your ideas in the comments if you have one. Once we've got as much dust out as we can and we've poked all our skewers up these little channels and all the dust has come out, we need to just look at this mesh filter here, okay? If that's blocked, it will be causing the same problem. Now you can't just go in there and unclick this and wipe it with a cloth like the other models. Also, there's a circuit board in here as well we need to be careful of. So we can't just go spraying it with water and rinsing it under a tap like on the very early Dysons, right? So don't do that. We need to get our torch again and just check to see if we can see the light through this mesh. You should be able to see through it and onto the inside of the cyclone. If you can't see the light through this and it's full of dust, you obviously need to get rid of it in some way. A dry toothbrush, hair dryers, leaf blowers, compressed air is always the best way. It's absolutely mad, isn't it? We buy a Dyson and we're having to whack it on garden tables and get leaf blowers on it. Anyway, once you've cleaned the dust out of there, cleaned it out your channels, and you've got a new filter on though, it will get rid of the problem. I hope this video has helped you. If you still fancy doing more cleaning, this next video is how to clean your floor head on your Dyson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face. Then if you ever need me in future, you'll be able to find me much more easily.